Bienvenidos, my name is Liliana and I'm going to teach you how to read in Spanish in 30 days. Aprende a leer en español en 30 días. Learning to read in Spanish is very simple once you know the basic sounds. Let's begin. We have to start with the vowels, las vocales. A, E, I, O, U. Try to say them as well. Let's do it again. A, E, I, O, U. A, similar to apple. E, similar to elephant. I, like igloo. O, like octopus. U, as in Ursula. The Spanish I, which is I, is easily confused with the English I, which is E. So you can remember the initials E for elephant and I for igloo to help remember them. Once you have these letters down, it's a matter of learning the consonants and the sounds that they make when they're paired with these letters. Today we're going to talk about the M. M. You say it as well. M. When you pair it with the vowels, they make this sound. Ma. So it's the M sound with A. Ma. Me, and again it's me, and then we have me, which is I, mo, and you guess it, mu. Let's say them again. Ma, me, mo, mu. And that sound, whenever you see M plus the vowel, it's going to be the same in Spanish. We're going to start reading a basic sentence. How would you say this? It would be me. And how would you say this word? Ma, ma. And we have the accent there because the sound of the second ma is a little bit stronger, and that's more getting into grammar. But right now we're just going to read it as mama. What would this next word sound like? It would be me, just like we read it before. And then this one is broken down into two sounds. We have the vowel a, and then we have ma, ama. So all together it's mi, mama, me, ama, which means my mom loves me. This is a full sentence. You can see we start with a capital letter just like we do in English, and we end the sentence with a period, very similar to English. And just by learning the combination of the M, with the vowels, you can start reading from day one. Let's practice with a different sentence. How would you say this word? Me. We have mama again. Me. Here's a new word. How would you say it? We've seen these sounds before. Mima. All together, it would say mi, mama, me, mima. Mi mama, me mima. And this translates to my mom pampers me. And again, we start the sentence with a capital letter and we end with a period. So now every time you see a combination of the M with the vowel, you can read it. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. And you can start reading in Spanish. This is all I have for you today. Make sure to come back tomorrow for the second class. I'm going to leave the links of the different classes on the descriptions so you can follow along. Thank you for joining me. See you on the next one.